My name is Andre Bennett, and I am the Crisis Manager, Public Entity of St. Eustatius. The official hurricane season commenced on June 1st and will end November 30th. September is the most active part of the hurricane season. This behooves us to be vigilant and to be prepared for any possible threats. Individuals which has not yet finalized their cleanup efforts, there is still time to remove debris from your home or surroundings. Continue to monitor the government Facebook page and local radio station for further weather updates. For your own personal safety, please follow instructions from the government authorities. Safety is everyone's responsibility.